Munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI George Kinoti akoreirwo maitho ni mieri 6 ya njera wona aga gwikinya igoti-ini ria Kirogoya tariki 24 mweri uyu. Kuringana na mucirithania Janet Mulwa, Kinoti athirwo gwikinya igoti-ini mweri wa 7 no ndaigana gutia watho wa igoti uria wamwathite kurekereria rori igiri cia kambuni ya Palea iria cianyititwo miaka 2 mihituku na ngunia 1,060 cia cukari uria wekuagirwo gukorwo uri na thumu.
I further direct that the DCI do present himself personally before this court to show cause why he should not be committed to civil jail for failure to obey the court orders dated the 29th of May 2020.
Kwa sababu mambo ya kutetea sasa imeisha. Alituma ofisa kutoka kwa hiyo ofisi yake ili aweze kutetea kwa niaba yake. Kwa hivyo mambo ya kutetea tumemalizana nayo. Hiyo kuja hapa, gari ya polisi itakuwa imengoja hapa. Akishafungwa sisi tunaweka ndani.
Thutha wa kwaga gutia watho uyu maita meri, igoti riathanire arihe faini ya shiringi 60,000 o muthenya.
And that's why the court said he can purge that contempt even by tomorrow. Because definitely putting him in civil jail, it will not pay off, isn't it? Asking him to pay 200,000 shillings or whatever it is, it will be paid tomorrow, immediately. But the vehicles will keep on rotting, wherever they are, isn't it?
Riu mucirithania Mulwa agiathana no nginyagia Kinoti ekinye igoti-ini we mwene kana atiye watho wa igoti wa kurekereria rori icio.
And those orders are clear that the DCI was found to have disobeyed court orders and ought to have come to court personally, not through a representative. No explanation has been offered for this failure. Sending a representative is not enough in contempt of court proceedings.
Anaweza achilia magari kabla hiyo siku ama adinde bado tu alafu akuje peke yake. Tutafunga hili alafu turudi tuchukue magari.
Ona kuhanora uguo nionanitie kwaga kuiganira na uria atongoria a ngathi cia iguru makoretwo makiaga gutia watho wa igoti. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.